Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Daniel with 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at a product that is made by SiiPet. This is the litter box camera with the AI cat health monitoring system. Now, before we dive right into the features and specifications of this particular product, the one thing that I want to stress to you guys the most is seize the moment when it comes to staying ahead of your cat's health. And I cannot stress that enough, because when it comes to expensive vet bills, there is always a potential chance of having a misdiagnosis, and the best way to actually stay ahead of it is keeping track and monitoring their behaviors when it comes to using that litter box. So anything from a bacterial UTI or some kind of indigestion, bacterial infection to the gut. So from bloody stools, I wish that for nobody. But with this particular litter camera here, with the AI detection, is it will detect abnormal behavior. So from frequent usages to the duration of being in the litter box, and to even being able to detect what kind of litter was actually dropped. So whether it was a urine or a feces, it will identify and recognize it. Best of all is that it records it. Not everybody wants to say that they want to watch or look at something like that, but the best thing ever is to be able to maintain their health. So in the event, if there is some kind of medical health situation, what better way than to have proof and to log every fact. So let's bring you in for a closer look just so you can get a great idea of how this actually works. Stay tuned. So here we have the SiiPet litter box camera. Fairly compact in design in its nature. It has a Type-C USB charger that's built in on the bottom of it. So that way you can pull this thing out, charge it up, and plug it in. Now, the one thing that is best about this particular camera is that a single charge on a full charge will give you up to 2 months peace of mind of free operation without any kind of worry, trouble-free whatsoever. Now, it is, again, IP65 rated as far for the water resistance on this, so that way you can pull it off, wash any debris, material, and so on. Go ahead and hit that power button that's right here on the back, and we are powering up. Now with it fully powered on, first thing that we have is the app control feature here. Now it is designed as a multi-pet compatible, so as you can see, these are some of my fur babies. Now I also have my dogs on here as well, so if in case my dog happens to come and visit my cat's litter box and thinks that they're going to steal one of my cat's presents they left in the litter, I can capture the video as to exactly which one is the culprit. Now, also when it comes to identifying your cats, that this thing is able to identify exactly which one comes into the box, and it also keeps a calendar recording as to who all is visiting. So just so you guys can check this out here. Pretty awesome. Now, when it comes to the installation and operation of this, it is incredibly easy. It runs on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi channel, and I will show you how I have mine set up.
Now, when it comes to an easy installation for our camera here, we have a nice base that is easy to apply. It's got a peel-off sticky pad right here on the back, so we're going to go ahead and press this directly to our surface, just like so, with a little bit of a press and hold. Once it's applied and it's on, now all we have to do is take our camera here. You're going to notice it's got a real nice, easy slide-in hanger. So all you have to do at this point is just line it up, slide it in place, position down, and we are ready to go. So now with that, we can monitor all of my cat's behaviors and your cats, and it's got a motion sensor built into it. So once they go to step in, it'll light up and be able to record all of their potty movements.
When it comes to your pet, early detection matters because it prevents bigger health issues. And best of all, It will keep the vet bills at a minimum because you're able to track and monitor real time what's going on with your pet's health. And the best way to do it is to track their movements when it comes in and out of that litter box, because this is a great way to use advanced technology for the AI, that is. It's going to monitor real time in real world scenarios of what's going on in your pet's life. So the frequency to the duration to how long, to be able to track and monitor, even if they're having an obstruction. So this is going to show those moments, those instances when your pet can't tell you with words. You can see the expression of what's physically going on. So that way you can help them stay happy, keep you happy. This is an awesome product. I cannot stress enough the importance of having something just simple like this. It is going to give you that ultimate peace of mind and keep that fur baby playful, running around for years to come. I thank you guys all for watching. You definitely got to give this thing a try. You're going to love it. And also check out their website because they have fantastic deals going on and they've got great promotions and specials on right now. Try it out for yourself. Guarantee you guys are going to like it. Thank you all for watching.